I'm Callie with Adventure Rig, and today we're going to talk about how we've upgraded our base camp kitchen here in Baja. First of all, we got this Primus campfire table. It's been awesome for food prep, eating on, and just a general camp table. We've done a review on it, so if you're interested, be sure to check that out. Today we're going to talk about a few smaller items though. This is the Primus Campfire Cutting Set, and these are the Campfire Tongs. I'm going to talk about the cutting set first, as these are sold as two separate items. I really like the cutting set because it's what it is, a set. It's compact, it keeps organized, and it's easy to pack no matter your rig or your camping outfit. The cutting set comes with a cover, an oak board, as well as a knife. This knife is sweet. It's a full-tang stainless steel knife, and while it's stable and sturdy, it also has a bit of flex, so it's really great for chopping or filleting. It's a versatile knife, and I found the size, coming in at 15 centimeters, makes it the perfect size knife. It's not too large, but it's not too small, making it perfect for a lot of different jobs. Moving on to the oak board, oak's really sturdy, and it also has a naturally self-disinfectant effect. I'd still recommend cleaning it, but it's nice to have the added benefit. I'm honestly not a huge fan of cutting on wood just because in my mind I feel like a lot of stuff soaks into it and you can't really get it clean. So I'm not going to put raw chicken on this wood board, but anything else, fruits, veggies, anything like that, definitely this is a great cutting surface for that. Not only does the cover keep everything organized and in place, it's also got this PU coating on the inside, so that makes it great for a nice clean surface to prep foods on. You can unroll this, know that this is clean and ready to prep foods, and it's also easy to clean off when you're done. Especially when you're camping, having that extra little bit of food prep surface is key. Once we put all this together, you can see that it's such a nice little package, and the knife even has a magnetic spot on this side. This would honestly be such a sweet gift for anyone who you know loves to cook in the outdoors. You can see that it clamps shut, and then you have this nice package ready to be packed. We didn't publish a gift guide this year, but this would be on the top of the list if we did. Moving on to the Primus Campfire Tongs, these are again a really minimalistic product, and they're easy to pack and lightweight. They come in at 4.7 ounces, so you're hardly gonna notice them in your kitchen setup. The length of these tongs is ideal. It keeps your hands away from the heat and gives you a bit of extra length no matter what you're grilling up. I think ideally I'd like to see some serration on the ends, but they work pretty well whether you're flipping tortillas in the morning or grabbing your chicken off the grill in the evening. You can see these cutouts here. These add extra grip without any extra frills. What's with all the banging today? Whether you're looking for that perfect gift for the camper in your life or you're ready to up your backcountry kitchen game, check out these accessories made by Primus. Also be sure to check out the foldable campfire table. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Also, if you're wondering where we are or what we're up to, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Adventure Rig. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Callie with Adventure Rig. I also feel like I probably should have cooked something. I feel like this is a little bit of a cooking show setup. Maybe we'll have to do a little series of what we like to cook on the road with Primus. Thanks again for watching.